Jennifer Winget is shocked. Yes guys, that's true. Actress Jennifer Winget is appalled and shocked after she found out that her divorce decree has been shared on social media. Jennifer wrote on Instagram, "I'm deeply appalled and shocked to learn that such a private and confidential document like my divorce decree is doing the rounds of social media. It's strange that I'm yet to receive the decree, but it's already doing the rounds on social media. Wonder whose malefied intent is this, since the relationship is now a firm thing of the past." Jennifer Winget separated from Karan Singh Grover in 2014, 2 years after they got married. The ex-couple were co-star in hit television show Dil Mil Gaya and had filed for divorce on mutual consent, and that the reason were too personal to be shared. Karan Singh Grover was earlier married to actress Shraddha Nigam for 10 months in 2008. The actor was seen in film Alone and was last seen in Vishal Pandey's Hate Story 3, co-starring Zareen Khan, Daisy Shah and Sharman Joshi in 2015. Jennifer Winget starred opposite actor-director Kunal Kohli in Fir Se. Wow, now that's what we call some real scoop. For more scoops of Bollywood, subscribe to our VScoop and do not forget to share and like.
Don't forget to subscribe for more sizzling videos.